Tax relief workshops are hosted by many members of the Board of Supervisors. The workshops are staffed by individuals from the Department of Tax Administration. They are there to provide applications, help fill out applications, and answer any questions applicants may have. Individuals who are 65 years of age or older, or are permanently or totally disabled that meet certain criteria may be eligible for real estate tax relief, personal property tax relief, and the tax relief for renters program. In addition, Fairfax County offers exemption programs for the disabled veterans, surviving spouse of first responders, and the military members killed in the line of duty. The board recognizes that it may be difficult for the elderly and the disabled to come to a centralized location, so staff from the Department of Tax Administration go to the various board offices and help with the application process. We encourage all residents to learn more about this valuable program by visiting the county website.